Did you know that sneezing can be triggered by exposure to bright light? It's called the Photek sneeze reflex, or HEU syndrome, autosomal dominant compelling helioophthalmic outburst syndrome. This reflex causes some individuals to sneeze in response to sudden exposure to bright light, such as sunlight or a bright light bulb. The exact cause of this phenomenon is not fully understood, but scientists believe it may be due to a crossover of signals between the optic nerve, responsible for vision, and the trigeminal nerve, responsible for facial sensation and triggering sneezes.